Good day, ma'am. I'm Tricia Sofia G. Fernandez from BSIT 3J. For my reaction video in Legal Compliance in Action, I decided to discuss a real-world case involving Google and its legal issues related to children's data privacy. Case chosen: Google YouTube COPPA Violation 2019. Legal issue: violation of COPPA, data collection from children under 13 without parental consent. Summary: YouTube collected data from children, watch history activity for target age, lacked parental notification and consent. Google fined $170 million and it required to change data handling policies. In 2019, the U.S. government found that YouTube, owned by Google, has been collecting data from children under 13, such as their viewing habits and using it for targeted advertising. This was done without notifying parents, which is a direct violation of COPPA. Because of this, Google was ordered to pay $170 million in penalties and was required to make major changes to how YouTube handles child-directed content. The case became a major reminder that even top tech companies must strictly follow IT-related laws that protect user information. Legal compliance issue: illegal collection of minors' personal data, failure to follow COPPA requirements, lack of transparency, and parental control. Ang pinakaugat ng problema ay ang illegal collection ng data ng mga bata. Hindi nagbigay ng YouTube ng tamang notice sa parents at lalo nang hindi sila humingi ng consent bago mag-track ng online activity ng mga bata. Sa madaling salita, lumabag sila sa COPPA, isang batas na nagbibigay proteksyon sa privacy ng minors. Dahil dito, kinailangan nilang magbayad ng malaking multa at magpatupad ng mas mahigpit na privacy controls. Reaction: case shows importance of respecting data privacy laws. IT professionals must consider ethical and legal impacts. Compliance builds user trust and avoids legal consequence. Para sa akin, itong case na to ay malinaw na paalala na ang data privacy ay dapat seryosohin lalo na kung minors ang involved. As future IT professional, kailangan nating intindihin na ang data handling ay hindi lang tungkol sa technology. May kaakibat itong legal at ethical responsibilities. Kung maging careless tayo, maaari itong magdulot ng malaking harm sa users at malaking consequence sa kumpanya. Conclusion: legal compliance protects users, especially children. IT professionals must handle data responsibly. Transparency and safety should always be priority. In summary, natutunan ko na ang pagsunod sa legal compliance ay hindi optional responsibility. Ito ang bawat IT worker upang masigurong ligtas ang data ng mga tao, especially vulnerable groups like children. Kung gusto nating mapanatili ang tiwala ng users' data, maging maingat, transparent at responsible sa lahat ng data-related activities. Thank you for listening and watching my reaction video.